Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Coding with Vidin. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your sprite have a new costume. So as always, we just keep this sprite. I'm going to use this sprite. So go to costumes, and in this area you can add anything. You can just delete him right now, or just drag and then delete all. So you can convert it to bitmap. And then I want to make a very specific drawing. So I'm going to zoom into it, just trying to find the middle. This is going to be the middle, this thing over here. Okay, now that we're zoomed in, I'm going to make a square using this function over here and drag it through the middle. And now look, you have this over here. After this, we can also add more to it. I'm going to add a circle onto the top. I'm going to try to make a stick figure. And no, not this, but this. Another rectangle. And now use Control C and Control V. If on Mac, use Command C and Command V. And another pair as hands. And after we have our brief stickman or anything you guys drew, like this, you use your left click, and no, first we go to this, delete this that I made by accident. Yeah, delete this and this. But now we can press left click and drastically increase the size. And yeah, over here I'm gonna make it even bigger. Okay, that's how big I want it to be. After I'm done this, we can also make a quick code of going to event, scanning the one flag clicked, go to looks, switch costume to costume 2. So, and then next costume, which we probably don't have. Oh, and then we can put this in a repeat. But make it wait 1 second before every repeat. So, no, 1 second is a bit too fast. So 3 seconds. And then it switches. And there you go. This is how to make a custom sprite. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and 15 likes for part 2, or I'm gonna try to make a horse using this custom feature. Peace.